Hey there. So these are some very gentle stretches that you can do in the risings right there in bed before you get out. Let's start. So come to Balasana. This is child's pose on your knees and stretch your hands all the way out in front of you. And just take a few deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. And you can rock your body from side to side. Release any tension in the back. And then come up and lay on your stomach. And just look all the way up as high as you can. And then bring your body all the way down onto the bed. Inhale and exhale. Release all that tension in the body. And then gently bring your palms right beside your breasts. Lift up and back into Balasana, child's pose. Again, you can rock the body from side to side. Just feel into whatever movement feels good to you in this position. And then gently slide your left leg forward. And look up, all the way up into the sky. And then bring the front of the body down. And this stretch you will be feeling in the groin area. This is a very good stretch to open up the hips. And always remember to breathe deep inhale and exhales. And gently come on back up. You can rotate your neck from side to side, and then we're going to switch to the opposite leg. So bring your right leg forward, left leg extends back. Inhale, look up, and exhale, bring the body down in front of you and lay flat on the bed. Inhale and exhale here. Find comfort in the deep breaths. They will help you to stretch even more. And then slowly return. And again, rotate the neck. Look to the left. And then come to sit on your knees. And kind of open your ankles out. And as much as you can, bring the bum to relax in between the legs. And this you will definitely feel in the hip areas. This is also a very good stretch for releasing tension in the hip area. It opens up your hip. And again, remember to use the breath to find some relaxation in this pose, because it's definitely very hard on the hips, especially if you're not flexible. And you can find other movements in the body to help you relax in this position. You can massage your legs, let them know it's okay to relax. And gently release out of this pose. Come to Vajrasana. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bring the body all the way down. And breathe. Inhale and exhale. Gently come up out of this position. Find some deep breaths. You can just take a moment to use your hands to massage and feel into whatever area of your body needs your attention right now. Right here, I'm placing my hands over my abdomen and just sending some healing, because this is the area that needed it in this moment. And once again, return to Balasana. Stretch your hands in front of you all the way out. Deep inhale and exhale. Then come to a seated position of Sukhasana and rotate the neck back and forth using the breath. Inhale as you look back, exhale as you look down. Inhale, exhale, and then just reverse the direction of the rotations. And then rotate the shoulders back and forwards. And now we rotate the hips. Just bring your body forward in circles and back. Round and around we go. And reverse this direction again. Remember to use your breath. And gently bring the body down. Stretch the hands all the way forward in front of you. And gently come up. Thank you so much for joining me in today's Rising Gentle Stretches. And I will see you on the next video. Do enjoy your day. Remember to breathe, to relax into the day, and have a wonderful day. See you soon.